As tensions escalate in the South China Sea, the Philippines has taken a decisive step, deploying ships to a disrupted area where it alleges China is constructing an artificial island. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s office issued a statement confirming the deployment, emphasizing the need to monitor what it termed as supposed illegal activities by China. Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson Commodore J. Tariela corroborated these claims, citing evidence of small scale reclamation at the Sabina Shoal, known as Escoda by Manila. Despite these assertions, the Chinese embassy in Manila has yet to respond, potentially exacerbating bilateral rifts. The Philippine National Security Advisor has even called for the expulsion of Chinese diplomats over an alleged leak regarding a phone conversation about the maritime dispute. For over a year, Beijing and Manila have been locked in heated standoffs over their competing claims in the South China Sea, a critical waterway through which $3 trillion worth of trade flows annually. China's expansive territorial assertions, including those contested by the Philippines, Brunei, Malaysia, Taiwan, and Vietnam, were deemed invalid by the Permanent Court of Arbitration in 2016. China's extensive land reclamation efforts, accompanied by the construction of military facilities, have raised alarms in Washington and across the region. At the heart of the dispute is the Sabina Shoal, where a Philippine vessel has been stationed to document alleged Chinese activities, including the dumping of crushed corals. Commodore Tariela highlighted the presence of numerous Chinese ships, prompting concerns over environmental damage. As the Philippines Coast Guard plans to conduct investigations with marine scientists, it aims to maintain a prolonged presence at the Sabina Shoal, which serves as a crucial rendezvous point for resupply missions to Filipino troops stationed nearby. Amidst these developments, tensions persist between Manila and Beijing, underscoring the complex geopolitical dynamics in the South China Sea.